Hello, my name is Mel Calvert and I'm Professor of Outcomes Methodology at the University of Birmingham. I'm pleased to be one of the co-investigators for the Heal COVID platform trial. And today I'd like to talk to you about the use of patient-reported outcomes in this study and what you can do at sites to help ensure that we have high quality data collection. As I'm sure you're aware, Heal COVID is an adaptive randomised platform trial that aims to provide evidence on the efficacy of post-hospitalisation treatments and improve clinical outcomes from COVID-19. The primary objective is to determine whether interventions in the post-acute phase of COVID-19 improve longer-term mortality and morbidity outcomes. A key secondary objective is to determine and evaluate treatment-specific and patient-reported outcomes for COVID-19 and their response to intervention. We also plan to estimate the cost-effectiveness of treatments. So why are we assessing patient-reported outcomes in Heal COVID? Well, as this review by Calvert et al. And JAMA shows, and also through talking to many patients that have experienced COVID, we know that they experience both short and long-term symptoms following infection. An assessment of patient symptoms and quality of life using patient-reported outcomes will help us to assess the efficacy of treatment from the patient perspective. Data collected using the EQ5D measure will also help inform health economic evaluation. In terms of the patient-reported outcome measures being assessed in Heal COVID, we have selected a number of measures, and this has been informed by a review of different symptoms experienced by patients following infection, also by patient and public involvement, and looking carefully at the psychometric properties of available instruments. The measures that are currently being used include the FACIT fatigue, modified MRC dyspnea scale, COVID-19 core outcome measure for recovery, quality of life using the Euroqual EQ5D, the patient health questionnaire and generalized anxiety disorder questionnaire and PTSD checklist to assess anxiety and post-traumatic stress following COVID, and intervention tolerability using the FACT-GP5. We're also assessing a number of additional disease-specific systemic symptoms. This may seem like a large number of questionnaires, but we felt that this is important to really capture the range of symptoms that are experienced by individuals and also to assess the efficacy of interventions. Patient-reported outcomes within Heal COVID are collected using the Aperito Atom5 app. Baseline completion is usually in hospital, but can be undertaken up to 24 hours post-discharge. We'd really encourage you to help with compliance regarding this, as I'll come to later. Research personnel and participants will be provided with training resources to help minimise missing data, and alternative language versions of each PRO will be provided on the app when validated translations exist. For participants who are unable to use the app, there is the opportunity for nurse interview-led completion with translators as required. If you wish to pursue this, then please speak to the trials unit or the Cambridge team. Participants will be advised that the PRO data will not directly inform their clinical care or be reviewed by their clinical team. Although resources and support services are listed on the participant information sheet, so should the patient require additional support, they're advised to speak to the clinical team directly or contact one of the support numbers provided. Proxy completion will be permitted if the participant is unable to complete the PRO and will be documented. Here you can see on the Heal COVID website participant resources, and here we can see there's a section on setting up the app which is available for participants. So we really need your help at sites to collect high quality PRO data that can be used to assess the effect of treatment. Baseline data is really important, and this is because we can use this to understand where the patient is starting from in terms of their symptom burden, and use this in statistical analysis to assess the impact of interventions. Ideally, this should be provided by study participants whilst they are in hospital, if not, within 24 hours of hospital discharge. So we really need your help to try and encourage participants to complete the questionnaires where possible, as long as they're happy to do so. Please ensure that participants have been advised to download the Afrita Asthma 5 app prior to leaving hospital. Many thanks for your help and support with the HIL COVID trial. We really appreciate this and hope that it can help identify interventions that will benefit patients and improve their symptoms and quality of life. Thank you.